Getting prices for home improvements shouldn't feel like a full-time job. You shouldn't spend your precious time on calling contractors, waiting for estimates and waiting days just to get a number. There's a better way. Fuse Service is introducing STIC, the smart AI-powered homeowner platform where you can get instant pricing for HVAC, electrical, and plumbing projects. No more phone calls, sales pressure, and waiting. Just open the website, explore your options, and make the right decisions with confidence. Our system automatically knows your home details, including square footage, number of floors, and even your previous permits, so you can get accurate estimates tailored to your home instantly. In just one platform, you can see all available rebates for your area, including financing options and estimated monthly payments. You can compare your solutions in seconds. Everything you need is already in one place. No more sales appointments and awkward negotiations. No wasted time, just fast, transparent, and reliable home improvement pricing. Powered by Fuse Service, fast, reliable, and quality service you can trust. Visit stic.io today. Instant home improvement pricing finally made simple.